good morning and a warm welcome for the last time. I think you'll have to listen to us. Today, we celebrate with another important milestone in the life of our children. Today is their graduation day. Big round of applause for them. Before we start the program, we'd like to remind you that all cameras, handy cameras can be used, and of course the cell phones should be silent. And please take care you don't obstruct the view because they'll be performing on this side. Yeah, the children should not be disturbed. Now to welcome the stars of the day. Each child is unique in his or her behavior and attitude. As they mature, they leave an indelible mark in our hearts. Our young graduates are ready. A very pretty girl who excels in art and drawing. She's interested in learning new topics. Very diligent. Can you please greet Akanksha? Parents, a big round of applause for Akanksha. Janya is greeting Akanksha. Thank you, Janya. This friend is known to be the silent one, but there's a lot more to him than what people know. He seems like a gentleman even at this age. I request our seniors to our ex-student to greet Chirant Reddy. We have Bharat greeting Chirant Reddy. Look at him, just walk like a gentleman. Focuses on getting the right results in whichever task she performs. If she is not happy with the outcome, she tries again and again. Determined and self-motivated. She is her own judge. Yes, it's Chaitanya, Miss Consultant. This child is outspoken girl, has a smiling face and an inquisitive mind. Her questions are always why, what, how, where, and it goes on. Yes, it is Hasini. Please welcome Hasini. And now a boy who thinks and thinks and thinks. His thoughtful ways perk up ordinary days. Many special things he does makes it nice. He's curious about how things work. He always goes an extra mile to achieve it. Let's greet Kritik, thoughtful thinker. We have Adarsh greeting Kritik. I must say both are thoughtful thinkers. Dimple cheek, soft-spoken, and an imaginative mind. Maisha makes beautiful craft as a form of expressing herself. She's social, kind, and loves to work with her friends. Maisha, we welcome you. I request Janya to please escort Maisha. Maisha, show us your dimples. One glance at this quiet girl and you know there's a lot more to her. A perfectionist, her determination is going to get her far. Nandini, perfectionist. We have Arbiter escorting Nandini. Everything in the universe has a rhythm. Rhythm of her feet are like waves of the sea. Here comes Pradami. We have Bharat who is escorting Pradami. Introduce a new concept on maybe plants, planets, continents, or even music, and the rest is sure that Agastya is going to go Google search for more information. This little explorer has a razor-sharp mind which is always on the move, just like his body. Let's welcome our little explorer, Agastya. Lukanshu is escorting Agastya. And he was a Google explorer when he was in the school, Lukanshu. He is lively and exuberant, and his charming smile attracts everyone. His legs are like wheels. Yes, it is none other than Parinikash. Let's welcome Parinikash. We have Adarsh welcoming, escorting Parinikash. Today he's not able to walk. He wants to run.
Paramvikas. Paramvikas.
You are sitting down.
Sit here.
He can do a split,
It was that.
twist his body and in unimaginable positions and make any geometric shape out of his body. Let's invite Raghavendra, our gymnast. I really wonder sometimes if he has bones in his body. He's amazing.
Raghavan, come, stand next to me.
This boy has a helping hand. He rises by lifting others. If help is needed anywhere, he's usually the first one there. Helping others without expecting anything in return is what true self-worth is all about. And that's what Rishi Gowda is all about. Let's welcome Rishi Gowda. We have Bharat who is escorting Rishi Gowda. And here comes a very versatile girl. Welcome the girl with a brilliant smile, versatile and enthusiastic Sanjana. She has an innate ability to inspire her friends and adults alike. Welcome Sanjana. Our butler is escorting Sanjana. Architecture is a visual art. His creation with colored triangles speak for themselves, which make it meaningful and memorable. Yes, that's Sanket. Let's welcome Sanket. We have Vakanshu escorting Sanket.
Hey, I got it.
Composure is the steadiness of mind in the midst of commotion. On any given day, someone walked in the environment, the one point of the concentration is Skanda. Please welcome Skanda at his obedient best. We have Adarsh escorting Skanda. I'm ambitious, I set goals. Not because I'm ungrateful for what I have, but because I'm happy with who I am. I enjoy the experience of rising above my perceived limitation and discovering new levels of capabilities. Let's welcome Shoham, our ambitious boy. We have Janya escorting Shoham. If simplicity is a virtue, Shriya is the epitome of that. Celebrating her dancing feet and singing voice, here is Shriya Faraz. Bharat is escorting Shriya. Shriya smile. She is charismatic and a very social child. She dances with grace and can hold a tune too. She's loved to be praised. Who's it? Tanmay. Yes, we have Tanmay next. Our butcher is escorting Tanmay. One with a curious mind and an insatiable appetite for knowledge. Let's welcome Tejas on the stage. His ability to grasp new concepts surpasses his age. We are in awe of the simplicity with which he interprets many complex matters, and he's got a big smile on his face. She's called the dancing queen. She's amazing and a lively girl. She has multitude of talents. A fun person by nature, she can whip out just any dance move with ease. This is the dancing queen Shakrita. Let's welcome her. Adarsh is welcoming Chakrita. Smile Chakrita. She has an excellent leadership quality. She is friendly, versatile and shows keen interest in everything, let it be dance, music, art. She masters it all. Let's welcome Disha Agarwal. I'll request Mehra to please escort Disha. She's a mother hen. She's calm and simple, and she takes care of the little ones, the younger children who feel comfortable in her presence. Everyone is willing to work with Suchita. Let's welcome Suchita. I request Watson to please arbiter to escort Suchita. His height gets him noticed by all. He provides guidance and protection to his peers. He's smart, funny, and has exemplary leadership qualities. Let's welcome our big brother, Yashwant Narayan. We are Watson escorting Yashwant. A big round of applause for all our graduates.
Okay.
We begin our program with our institutional prayer. A day of joy, a day of celebration. This song is about the raindrops falling like pearls and the children happily dancing in it. In Arunodaya, we treat this day as a rainfall of learning, celebration of their learning and their happiness. A day of togetherness and fun. Just as we fly heights high, we wish that our friends reach higher heights in their lives. Let's welcome them and let's see the wonderful performance.
What's in? చైతన్య
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are gone to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. If you're dancing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you mean to me, every day I will remind you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, yeah. Always have my shoulders when you cry. I'll never say goodbye. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah.
Thank you, Vikram uncle. Everyone say thank you, Vikram uncle. Thank you, Vikram uncle.
Pratik, right?
Ah!
fun little dynamic. The next step for our seniors is a big one. They move from this house of children to a bigger world, a traditional school. And as for our Indian culture, which we've always followed in Arunodaya House, Montessori House of Children, we treat this day as a beginning in the new era that they are going to start. And as usual, in our culture, we start or we begin anything auspicious by saying just this: Ganpati Bappa Moria. We request the parents behind to sit because others will not be able to watch it.
Chakrika, go back. Position. congratulations, my dear friends, for graduating today. I do not know, I have got no language for you. And then I convey my thanks to the parents for your trust. The trust I wanted is given to me. And really, it is a great thing the children are today graduated from here this institution. And first of all, I bow down to my husband who helped me to make this institution, and he always wanted to get success for this institution. I do not know, but these children will be my success. And what they do, come here and they do well, I really astonished that how they are remembering me. They come here and they remember each and everything and how they were taken to those picnics and this. They have enjoyed this, sports, graduation, this, everything they remember. They got married, they have got their children, must be, I do not know. But my first child is an engineer and one is a girl who got the same day admission. She is a Montessori. So it is a great day for me, a great successful day. And this year 23 of them are passing out. And I am really grateful to you, my dear parents. And this faith, this you have kept on me, that is a great thing. That's a great thing. And I should congratulate my aunties whose hard work it is. It is not only one person's hard work. They are all so dedicated. They do not look their family and family support. Of course they are getting, but they come forward to help this institution. I'm really grateful to these aunties also. They really work hard. All this is a great work. And these dances are done by whom do you know? Can you guess? Anybody? Anita Didi. Who is Anita Didi?
Yes, no. Sumita auntie is daughter.
Sumita auntie is my. I said to her to granddaughter mine, but she has been brought up here as just like you. And then today she is in this section. She is done training and come and join this institution.
Dream child.
My dream child, I call her my dream child. So I do not know if she will be successful to fulfill my dream or not, but now you see the small examples for this dance and all, she has really worked hard.
She will definitely do. She will definitely do.
Yeah, that is your blessings are required. And you are the oldest grandparents here.
Yeah,
all
thank
the
you,
grandchildren, yes. Yes, that's all. My language is not there to say many words today. So I'm going to complete that here, and many more things are still waiting for us. And one thing is that we Montessorian, we do not believe in first, second, third, but as a token of love, I have given that. That is not the real prize, but this is just a token of love and affection. And everybody will get a prize from you. Then Manjula, I request to explain that book. It is looking very dull looking. It's not for the children, but it is for the parents. They should be sitting with those that. Every day, whatever they have done, the maths over here, they can do with their books. Thank you so much for hearing me and coming today and making this function a great success.
Day she believes in giving away some books where the children carry it, read. But she's giving such a lovely book on cosmetic. It is like a Bible, I can say. You can just hold on to this book for years together for your child. They work as they are in the higher classes, as they are going up to the higher classes. This book becomes like, a very good material for them to work, extra division. So I feel even today my children are using this book. So please don't put it aside and think that it's a very dull with small prints and what I'm going to do with this book. But please do use it, especially in arithmetic. It's helping them a lot. A very good division other than what they get from the schools they go. Thank you so much, Auntie.
Let's invite the diligent girl Akansha to come and receive her certificate. Big round of applause to all my senior friends. This is the 6 years hard work. Congratulations, Akansha.
Okay.
Okay.
The little explorer, Agastya.
Bas. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Agastya. Google search. Determined and self-motivated. Agastya, smile at the camera. Try to smile at the camera, darling. Smile. Where's your certificate? Smile, Chaitanya. Clap, please clap, everyone.
Thank you, Reshmi aunty.
Big round of applause for Disha.
I want to see your certificate. Yeah.
Just smile.
Thank you.
Confident and outspoken girl, Hasini. Let's welcome Hasini to come and receive her certificate. Friends, please put your hands together for Hasini.
Smile at the camera.
Smile, Hasini.
You have a beautiful smile.
Thank you.
And the thinker, Kritik, please come and take your certificate.
Kritik, look at the camera.
Look at the camera.
Smile.
Congratulations, Kritik. Miss Creative Maisha.
Kritik, give it ready. Accept your certificate. Maisha, now you
Maisha, look at the camera. Smile.
Nandini, the perfectionist. Please welcome Nandini.
Maisha, here.
Nandini, smile at the camera. Smile. Very good. Thank you.
Congratulations, Nandini. The enthusiastic one, Parimikash. Run, Parimikash. Now you can run. There. These first legs.
Look at the camera. Kash. Smile. Thank you.
Thank you, Auntie.
Maisha.
Girl, Pradani, come collect the certificate. Pradani, we should see your teeth here.
Pradami, smile.
Smile. Show us your teeth. Smile. Oh, that's it.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Pradani. And the gymnast, are you going to cartwheel here? Raghavendra, you will come cartwheel here? Or do you want to show us a split?
Face the camera. Smile. Smile. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks so much. The helping hand of Rishi. Big smile, Rishi. Cheese.
Smile. Very nice. Thank you.
Sanjana Kumar, the versatile girl. Run, Sanju. There.
Smile. Beautiful. Chalo. Thank you. Chalo, Sanjana. Thank you.
The architect, Sanket. Please welcome Sanket. I know that.
Sanket, smile. Look at the camera. Smile.
Shreya, we welcome you to come and take your certificate.
Shia, look at the camera. Smile.
Cheese, Shreya.
Beautiful. Okay, thank you.
Shreya, congratulations.
Thank you.
At one point of concentration, Skanda.
Ganesha. And the smile. Big
Smile.
smile.
Very nice. Thank you.
Congratulations, Skanda. The ambitious one, Soham. Please come. Big clap.
Soham. Smile, look at the camera. Beautiful.
We have Suchita next.
Smile.
Yes, here.
Smile.
Hello, madam. Excuse me, ma'am. Just look at.
Beautiful.
Please come, Tanmay. Please come and receive your certificate.
Nice. Look at the camera. Smile. Look at the camera and smile. Thank you.
Next we have Pages. The curious mind.
Tejas, look at, hold the certificate. Hold your certificate. Look at us. Smile, smile. Very nice. Thank you.
Finally, the big brother Yashwant. Come, run, Yashwant.
Smile. Look at the camera. Smile. Sir, Salpas, please. I will take.
Okay, video one ನಿಮಿಷ.
चौक में बनाई घोड़े की किनाई ने हसामत जो बनाई चब्बक 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 घोड़ा पहुंचा चौक में खानाई घोड़े की तिनाई ने हंसामत जो बनाई दौड़ा घोड़ा तुम के दौड़ा लकड़ी की काटी पे घोड़े की धुन पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा घोड़ा तुम उठा के दौड़ा घोड़ा था मंडी पहुंचा सब्जी मंडी बर्फ पड़ी थी बर्फ लग गई ठंडी टप्पा घोड़ा था मंडी पहुंचा सब्जी मंडी बर्फ पड़ी थी बर्फ लग गई ठंडी दौड़ा घोड़ा तुम उठा के दौड़ा लकड़ी की काटी पे घोड़े के धुन पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा तुम उठा के दौड़ा लकड़ी की काटी पे घोड़े के धुन पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा तुम उठा के दौड़ा घोड़ा अपना तगड़ा है देखो कितनी चर्बी है चलता है मेलोली पर मैं घोड़ा अपना अरबी है घोड़ा अपना तगड़ा है देखो कितनी चर्बी है चलता है मेलोली में पर घोड़ा अपना अरबी है पाँव छुड़ा के दौड़ा तुम उठा के दौड़ा लकड़ी की काटी पे घोड़े के दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा तुम उठा के दौड़ा लकड़ी की काटी पे घोड़े के दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा तुम उठा के दौड़ा ला ला ला
Three cheers for ourselves or even to give us a pat on our back. It's always welcome. Skandas Nagar. Sanket Madam, sorry. Please come.
It is out of word of mouth publicity only I tried to put him in the school. Earlier I was so much worried, like he's lagging behind in reading, writing, like the rest of the children. But now I'm too happy. He's too good in reading. And thanks a lot for auntie, everybody. I'm so happy. Thank you.
Good morning. The parents mentioning that accidentally, incidentally coming across the school, but on the safer side, to be honest, I was not a parent when I thought about this. My journey started with the school a year after they started. I am associated with the school from 93. I married in 2004. 94, I thought if at all I get married, what all I have a child, it is going to be the school. So my association with the school has been quite shocking. In every moment, every day, every hour, I only pray to God that Smitanki has to live long to bring up many more children in the society. And this is a forum where we all think that we have brought up our child to the school, but we are absolutely wrong. This is an organization, an institution, a sacred, sanctity owned place where we become a disciple and we are a child. We are learning from the child. We are not, the child is not learning here. We are learning from the child how to behave, how to teach, how we should accept the child. And these things are only taught to Srikanti and this subject. And to be another person who has grown with this organization is Vidyanti. I accidentally came across Vidyanti's brother, who was my customer. So then my association with her, and she has toiled and she has given her life to this problem. Hats off to you. And again, I wish all parents to have a small prayer within yourselves to give strength to Vidyanti and her team, to give more strength to Sumikranti, so that this organization brings up many more children in the future. Thank you so much.
Congratulations for all of you, because our kids are going to become graduates, right? Right. I never had graduation in my life. So in 5 years, she is 5 years old, she's having graduation. All thanks to Arunodaya. Everybody said their experience about how they took Arunodaya as an option. Mine was like, we put our daughter to one small play school, okay? Unfortunately, they closed down. I cannot tell you the name on stage, Tree House. Right? So basically, they shut down, and then we were looking out for other options. One of our neighbors suggested this. We went and met Sumita auntie and Vidya auntie. We said, we are looking for a playhouse for our daughter. They said, don't call it a playhouse, it's a house for children. I was like, okay. But some technical term they are giving. But actually it is true, right? Then I realized. And then one of our neighbors said, don't expect anything from the child for the first 3 years. They'll be like, they cannot be compared with others. But the 4th year, they'll be beyond other kids, right? The kind of questions my daughter asked, I don't even know. I just say, give me 2 minutes, I'll go and come, I'll go Google and come back and answer. And you know, the kind of thing they incorporate in their mind, like for example, last night, they asked her to go to bed early. When we tell them, they never care. She goes to bed at 10:30 or something, but last time I don't even know, she said, I want dinner now, 8 o'clock, 8:30 she goes to bed. Usually when I make her to sleep, I sleep first and then she'll be like making me sleep. But everything thanks to Arunodaya for making her a better person and a better human being. Thank you very much.
Mrs. Chakraborty. Mrs. Chakraborty is an auntie in our school. Big applause to her. This is a fancy dress. The audience.
There is no fancy dress. This is our traditional dress of Assam. We are basically from Assam, Dibrugarh. And this is our mekhla. This is the traditional dress for ladies in Assam. On any grand occasions, ladies wear this. And this is the, you can say in Bengali, in Assamese also they do jubba and pajama. And this is sponsored by the head of the institute, Mrs. Sumita Mukherjee. Big applause for her. Thank you.
Thank you. We have Agastya's parents next. Agastya's parents. Agastya's mother, I can see her. And father also is here. Okay, the mother says she's not well, she can't go out. We have Agastya's father here.
One round ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡು.
Why don't you carry her?
Big round of applause to Agastya's parents. Agastya. Thank you. Next we have Chaitanya's mother and father. Claps, claps. What are you dressed as?
Next we have
Chakrika's parents.
Chakrika's mother.
I was thinking about fancy dress. It was quite challenging. For the parents, what fancy dress? So only thing came into my mind was Vidya Bala. Close to my size. So something like this.
You look lovely. We have Chiran's parents now. Chiran's parents. Chiran, yes, Chiran. Tell us something about your sari. Rishi, thank you. Disha's parents.
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಬ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೂಜಾರಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲರಪ್ಪ ಪೂಜಾರಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇಗ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಟಿಪಿಕಲ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ರು ನನ್ನ ವೈಫು ಮಿಸಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ರು ಸೊ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಟವಲ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಕಲ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಟವಲ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಪಕ್ಕಾ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫೇ ಅದು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಇದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮಂದು ಗಾರೆ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ನಾವು ರೈತರು. आप लोगों को इससे कुछ याद आएगा. मैं कुछ हिंट करता हूँ. Once upon a time in India, 5 साल से हमारे यहाँ बारिश नहीं हुई. कच्छ में बिल्कुल बारिश नहीं हुई. हम परेशान. इस बीच में अंग्रेजों ने लगान बढ़ाई दियो. अरे दुगुना लगान. हम क्या करते? हमने कहा लगान माफ कर दो. नहीं जी, अगर हमको लगान माफ करना हो तो उनको उन्हीं के खेल में क्रिकेट में हराना पड़ेगा. तो हमने क्या किया? हमने क्रिकेट और अंग्रेजों के साथ खूब खेले. अरे खूब खेले. हम जीत गए. और हम जीते, हमको 2 लाभ हुआ. 2 फायदा. एक, लगान माफ हो गया. दूसरी, हमें एक मेल मिल गई. ये मेल यही रुक गई भारत में और हमारे साथ खेती किया इतने साल. जब वो मेल थी बहुत गोरी थी. अब देखिए क्या हो गया. भारत में हमारे साथ रहकर इसका ये हाल हो गया. तो बहुत बहुत नमस्कार. धन्यवाद आप लोगों का. थैंक यू. We thought of this also to give a small message. Last month when Shriya used to be till evening, when I came to pick her up, Vidya madam was there, and I was just I actually work for agriculture. I do organic agriculture as a profession. So when I asked the kids what do they want to become. Of course, most of them wanted to become an engineer or a doctor, and they just asked, any of you want to become a farmer? And the explanation was, oh, chi, not farmer. Because this is what they look like. But originally we will have to change this concept because everything that we eat comes from the farmer. Thank you.
So true. Very, very true. You have a lovely blue peacock blue saree and a lot of flowers in your hair. Thank you. Thank you. Skanda's parents.
Good afternoon, everybody. We have been registered for our brother's reception.
Straight from the reception to here. Show hands.
Whenever he is out for holidays, he goes to his grandparents' house. He helps his grandfather in his farming. He loves playing with mud, no matter what weather it is, sun, wind, rain. He just loves it, and he has also motivated us like to work along with him during holidays. So most of the time we spend time in farming, of our time, and like we wanted to convey a message also like
Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.
so a small song dedicated to different people and farmers, which we sing traditionally at our place. ಕಾಳಗಕ್ಕ ಮರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಮರೆ ಮನೆಯ ಮರೆ ಮನೆಯ ಕುಯ್ಯೋ ಮರಿ ಅಂತಾವೆ ಮಡ್ದಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಂತಾವೆ ಮರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಂತಾವೆ ಮರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಜಿಮ್ ಜಿಮ್ ಹಿಡಿಕೋಲು ಕೈ ಬೀಸ್ತ ಪದನೆ ಕೈಡು ಕಾಲು ಅಹ ಇಡು ಕಾಲು ಲೋಕದಾಗ ಏನೈತೆ ಎಂದು ಮೇಲು ನಮ್ಮ ದೊರೆ ಇಚ್ಛಿಸಿ ಬನಿಚು ಎಂತ ಬಾಳು ನಮ್ಮ ದೊರೆ ಇಚ್ಛಿಸಿ ಬನಿಚು ಎಂತ ಬಾಳು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್
Actually, we are from Karnataka. I am supposed to wear this half shirt along with lungi, but lungi is not there today. My wife is supposed to wear sari, but she is to wear Punjabi dress. So we represent a more diversified, more inclusive,
Very diplomatic.
Sorry from the oldest city in the world. Any guesses? What's the place that is?
Mysore.
The oldest city in the world? Yes.
Thank you. And finally, we have Yashwant's parents.
There is a traditional Telugu wedding.
ನಾಡು ಜಮೀನು ಉಳಿಯಲು ಹೀಗೆ.
Very nice. Thank you so much. A big round of applause to all our parents. Thank you for being so sportive.
And we request you to have a ramp walk around.
Can you please walk around?
Sanjana's parents will lead the ramp.
You will walk and wave, yes. This is your only chance to walk on the ramp while waving. Let's go.
Let's see a ramp walk and then
Clap, clap.
around. You can dance, sing, wave, whatever you like. I can't see any moves there. They are such lovely children, so gracefully dancing. You should dance for them today. Yes, that's the spirit.
Thank you, parents.
Round of applause for Sanjana's parents.
Thank you. Thank you for being so supportive. Thank you.
Thank you.
worked very hard on the team. Thank you so much. Our children perform so enthusiastically when they come. They ask to come on stage. It's nice to see enthusiastic parents too. Thank you and congratulations.
Amazing job. See, I'm a stand-up comedian. Okay? I'm a stand-up comedian, and before we begin, let's see the Bangaloreans in the house. Clap, clap if you're a Bangalorean. Clap. Amazing. You know what? As I said, my name is Praveen Kumar. I've been performing across the country, but trust me, Bangalore audience are the best. You guys are the best. You're supposed to clap. Yes. You guys have the best sense of humor. You guys would appreciate comedy. That's why they elected Siddharamaiah. Amazing. From my accent, you would have guessed that I am a Tamilian. Tamilians in the house? Wow. Other Tamilians are in their house? Okay. See, like any other Tamilian, I get offended when a non-Tamilian comes and makes fun of us because they always say, Madrasi, Idli Dosa, Idli Dosa, Idli Dosa. Come on, man, give us a break. We have sambar also. Always Idli Dosa. And we Tamilians have certain qualities. We don't remove the cover from the remote control. We don't wear sunglasses, we wear cooling glass. We wear cooling glass in the night. And according to her, there are only 4 states outside Tamil Nadu: Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, and North India. That every damn thing about us is North India. And most of us are mush, okay? Most of us are mush and we are proud of it. Some of us have more hair here than here, like me. But recently I had a competition, a mush growing competition, with one of my Tamilian friends, mush growing competition. The competition was intense, but in the end, she won it. And we are good learners. So if you come and say you should learn rocket science, yes we will. You should learn Java, yes we will. You should learn Hindi. Out of syllabus. Out of syllabus. And as you know, we have a lot of segments of places where we live. We have big cities, big towns, small towns, villages, small villages, slums, Kalasipalya. You know, so many things. I was born and brought up in this small town near Chennai called Kanchipuram. We get heard of it, Kanchipuram. Yes. In that town, nobody spoke English, including my English teacher in school. If that is the condition for English, you could imagine the condition for Hindi. Very few people don't could differentiate between Hindi and English. Recently when I spoke to one of my old friends, he said the last English movie he saw was Rangila. I have a family there. How many of you have family? It's a stupid question. See, all of you have families, you are not Salman Khan. You must be having family, but I have family. My great-grandfather had 12 kids. My grandfather had 5 wives. Each wife had 4-5 kids. Busy man. He used to be a production engineer. My family tree has more branches than Adair Anandabhavan. And my dad is a doctor. He was an inspirational man. I also wanted to become a doctor from my childhood. So intentionally spoiled my handwriting also for that. But I couldn't become a doctor because they wanted something in huge amount which I didn't have. Marks. He's a plastic surgeon. Okay, my dad is a plastic surgeon. He always carries my photo in his wallet. So sweet of him, always carries my photo in his wallet just to prove to his patients that there are some faces that cannot be corrected with plastic surgery. I appreciate the fact you guys are supporting a live performance of your kids. You put a lot of TV programs. It shows the quality of TV programs. Reality, what kind of shows we have? There's an intelligent show called Kaun Banega Crorepati. But the show becomes intelligent one day after the 11th question. Till the 10th question, questions are so dumb that even Rahul Gandhi can answer them. Just kidding, he cannot. And if you think that the reality shows are the only horrible things on TV, that means you're not watching the advertisements. So many ads, so many endorsements celebrities because we trust him. If Amitabh Bachchan asks you to use a Parker pen, we trust him and use that. That's why we don't have any politicians endorsing anything. Right? What if Mayawati endorses Zandu bomb? The cause of the pain cannot endorse the cure. It's something like Karnataka endorsing family planning. It's not going to help, but so many ads. Some of these ads have no connection to the product. I recently saw an ad, archery competition going on. First, your white guy comes, he misses the bullseye. Then the black guy comes, he misses the bullseye. Then an Indian guy comes with all background music and all that, hits the bullseye. Now, can you guess what product it is? It's a Banyan ad. Ramraj Banyan. What is the moral of the story? If you wear Ramraj Banyan, you cannot with a bullseye. And I used to watch TV while having food till I started watching this Harpic and Domex ads. I'm not even making this up. Okay, after killing this Indian commode, this lady does this. Sound also comes and gives a high five to this kid. Instant vomit. But you know what is worse? The next ad, the next immediate ad will be KFC chicken, finger licking good. Not only a lot of output ads. For example, start showing jewelry ads like Joy Alucas, Malabar Gold. You know what's the next ad? The next immediate ad will be Manappuram Gold Loan. Before you start liking the jewel, you know where to mortgage it. And you learn lessons from this ads. For example, you're eating a normal chocolate, you eat like this. But if you're eating a Dairy Milk Silk, you eat like this. Let me ask you guys a question. How many of you here feel that your life sucks? Okay, let me rephrase that. How many of you are married? Married men, make some sound. I know you won't. Okay. At least today. Married men. You're making sounds? Yeah. So, you're with your wife?
I'm definitely there.
Oh, there. Long distance. That's why you're making sounds. Yeah. It is long distance for us. See, first outing I took my wife after my wedding was a theme park. How many of you have been to theme park? Quite a few, right? Why do women overreact in theme park? When I went there, one girl was like, ah! When a friend was a giant wheel. Why? I took my wife. First it was the indoor section, okay? Indoor section where you have to put a coin and play video games. You guys remember that? Yeah? We went there. There's a huge screen there. Huge screen and shoot. You have to keep shooting it. I put the coin, took the gun and started shooting. I shot everybody. I was like, next is Olympics. Abhinav Bildari. I was like, full image on 1 week of marriage, full image. Abhinav Bildari. Then my wife said, Praveen, I think you have to press the start button. Full coffee shame happened. And then I started winning everything, all the tickets, everything I got, until I reached the game where you have to pick a soft toy using a crane. That is not a game, ladies and gentlemen, that is not a game. It's a woman's mind. Nobody knows how to operate that. You will lose eventually. And the next I took another outdoor section. Some Halloween theme was going on. Some lot of scary stuff all around, like dead bodies, zombies, Mount Carmel girl without makeup. You know, everybody was there. All scary stuff. Right? We went there. I'm usually scared of these rides, okay? But my wife insisted us to go on roller coaster. I'm usually scared of these rides. 1 week of marriage, I cannot even show that to my wife. I had to agree, roller coaster. I saw, okay, fine, let's go. I saw the train, fine. Then I saw the track. It looked like my small intestine. And then I had to agree, then we had to travel along with 22 other Telugu people. Then before the journey started, one small kid from the Telugu family comes and tears my ticket into two. I was like, why is a Telugu kid splitting a good looking thing into two? Then I realized it was a Telangana kid. And then the journey started. Some of my body parts got dislocated, some of them relocated. My lunch got digested. But the previous dinner came up. It was so big. That's when this operator nonsense fellow stopped the roller coaster when everybody was upside down. That's when I met my grandparents. They were like, Praveen, welcome on board. Then the journey got over, we got down. My wife was like, you were scared. No, of course I was not scared. You were scared. Of course I was not scared. You were scared. How did you find out? This is a dry day, your pant is wet. Again, coffee shame happened. Then I thought, the next side I'm going to take my wife, she shouldn't find that I'm scared. So directly took her to the wet ride. You guys remember that ride where you have to go in circle and fall into the water? I took her and they give you a tube and all that, right? So I asked my wife to go first, ladies first and all that. Then I went and they said you don't require tubes, already have inbuilt, okay fine. They pushed me, I was going in circles and just before falling into water I got stuck. I was slowly crawling my way towards water. That's when a huge fat lady from behind came with full speed and banged me from behind. You know what's more painful? She said, sorry uncle. Okay guys, that's my debut in such a lovely audience. Thank you very much.
Thank you. লুচি আছে, পাপড় আছে এখানে। লুচিটা শেষ হয়ে গেছে, পাপড়।
এখানে হচ্ছে পোলাও আর এখানে দই।
শুভর পোলাও আর রায়তা, বুন্দি রায়তা।
বুন্দি রায়তা।
আর শুভর গড়া টাওয়েল। ওইনিরা তুমি কি সার্ভ করছো? ঘন্ট আর মিক্স ভেজিটেবল আর দই পটল। বাহ। দই পটল সব দিয়ে। অনিতা কি সার্ভ করছিস তুই?
I'm giving gulab jamun and bhapa doi.
Bhapa doi.
A sweet person giving chutney.
চাটনিটা কে দিচ্ছে?
Chutney Prashant was giving. He ran away.
Bhapa doi. Explain.
Bhapa doi. I think my mother will be a better recipe. She can give you a recipe. I don't know how to make this.
प्लेट दरकार।
Mashed dal ka.
और लेके माछ। प्लेट माछ। There are no plates. दादा अपना
Chicken.
वाह।
এদিকে আসতে থাকেন।
এই ছবি দেখে বাহ দারুণ ছবি।
হাঙ্গামা হবে তো?
একদম
হাঙ্গামা।
একদম হাঙ্গামা।
তবে আসতে এই যাচ্ছে।
Yeah, that is like editing.